What was the old name of Sri Lanka? A. Ravan Lanka, B. Lankavarsh, C. Ceylon, D. Cambay. The correct answer is C. Ceylon. The option D, Cambay, was the old name of Cambodia. This is the map of Ceylon. Which is the deepest point on planet Earth? Option A, Challenger Deep. Option B, Tonga Trench. Option C, Philippine Trench. Option D, Kuril-Kamchatka Trench. Well, here is a hint. It lies in the Mariana Trench. The correct answer is A, Challenger Deep. This image shows the figurative comparison between Mount Everest and Mariana Trench. If Mount Everest is dipped inside the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be 2 kilometers underwater. Huge, isn't it? By the way, some scientists believe that there could possibly be more deeper points on planet Earth, which might be deeper than the Mariana Trench. But as far as science supports, we have found the Challenger Deep to be the deepest point on planet Earth. This reminds me of a quote. The depth in ocean is like depth in love. Both are unknown. Which is the largest river in the world? Option A, Nile. Option B, Amazon. Option C, Brahmaputra. Option D, Mahanadi. A lot of you might be thinking that the correct answer is Nile, but sorry, the answer is Amazon. The question asks about the largest river in the world. If it was longest, then it was Nile. By the term largest, the question means that they are asking about which river has the maximum water in terms of volume. That's Amazon. Which place in the world receives maximum rainfall? Option A, Ladakh, India. Option B, Mawsynram, India. Option C, Kukui, Hawaii Islands. Option D, Dibunj Cha, Africa. The correct answer is Mawsynram, India. Do you know that in India, the place which receives the least rainfall is Ladakh? And that is why it's often called as White Desert. White due to snow and desert due to lack of rainfall. Which is the nearest country to the South Pole? Option A, Australia. Option B, Antarctica. Option C, New Zealand. Option D, Argentina. The correct answer is option D, Argentina. And the second nearest is New Zealand. Here is the map of Argentina. Argentina lies in the South American continent. This is an interesting question. What is true about Pangaea? Statement 1. It was a supercontinent prior to formation of other land masses on the planet Earth. Statement 2. It was surrounded by a superocean, Panthalassa. Statement 3. Dinosaurs inhabited the Pangaea. Statement 4. The only mountain range on Pangaea was Himalayas. Option A says 1 and 2 are correct. Option B says 3 and 4 are correct. Option C says 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option D says all of the above. Let us analyze the statements one by one. Statement 1 is of course correct. Pangaea was the supercontinent and it got divided into 2 parts and then to 7 continents further. Statement 2 is definitely correct. There was superocean surrounding the Pangaea and that was called Panthalassa. Statement 3 is not correct. Dinosaurs came years after. And statement 4 of course is not correct because Himalayas are a young fold mountains. So we'll go with option A, which says statement 1 and 2 are correct. Here we have a GIF which shows the supercontinent Pangaea breaking into 2 giant lands and then to the present day continents. Fill in the blank. Blank connects the Andaman Sea to the South China Sea. Is it the longest strait? Option A, Bok Strait? Yes. Option B, Malacca Strait? No. Option C, Strait of Bosphorus? Yes. Option D, Malacca Strait? Yes. What do you think the correct answer is? It's option D, Malacca Strait? Yes. So Malacca Strait connects the Andaman Sea to the South China Sea, and yes, it is the longest strait. What is weather? A similar question was asked in TISS 2016. Option A, the amount of chemicals in the atmosphere. Option B, the amount of sunlight reaching a particular area. Option C, the conditions of atmosphere typical to a particular area over many years. Option D, the conditions in the thermosphere of the Earth. The correct answer is option C, the conditions of atmosphere typical to a particular area over many years. And of course, the conditions of atmosphere should remain constant over many years. For example, if we have a lot of rainfall on a single day in a desert, it doesn't mean that the weather has changed. What causes heavy rainfall in South India in winters? A similar question was asked in TIS 2016. Option A, northeast trade winds. Option B, southeast winds. Option C, southwest monsoons. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option A, northeast trade winds. Which river crosses the equator twice? Option A, Congo. Option B, Nile. Option C, Amazon. Option D, Mississippi. This question is very important and the correct answer is option A, Congo. It lies in the African continent. Which strait separates Asia from America? Option A, Bering Strait. Option B, Bosphorus. Option C, Base. Option D, Gibraltar. I'll give you a hint. This strait lies between the easternmost part of Russia and westernmost part of Alaska state of US. The correct answer is A. And here is some extra information. Bosphorus Strait is the narrowest strait. Bass Strait separates Australia from Tasmania. Gibraltar separates Africa from Europe. So all of these straits are equally important. Here comes the next question. Why is the rock inside the Earth's interior hot and molten? A similar question was asked in TIS 2016. Option A, radioactivity. Option B, global warming. Option C, intertectonic plates friction. Option D, subduction. The correct answer is option A, radioactivity. Which is the deepest river in India? Option A, Ganga. Option B, Krishna. Option C, Brahmaputra. Option D, Godavari. The correct answer is option C, Brahmaputra. What is an archipelago? A similar question was asked in TIS 2014. Option A, group of free-floating islands. Option B, group of closely spaced islands. Option C, it is a large island which is neither a continent nor a country. Option D, it is an uninhabited island. The correct answer is option B, group of closely spaced islands. Fill in the blank. Blank strait divides Morocco and Spain. A similar question was asked in CMAT 2020. Option A, Malacca. Option B, Hormuz. Option C, Bosphorus. Option D, Gibraltar. The correct answer is option D, Gibraltar. The ozone layer is found in option A, refrigerators. Option B, stratosphere. Option C, ionosphere. Option D, troposphere. A similar question was asked in TIS 2017. The correct answer is option B, stratosphere. Which country has the oldest rocks? Option A, India. Option B, Canada. Option C, Nigeria. Option D, China. The correct answer is option B, Canada. Dash is a permit which allows a country to produce a certain amount of carbon emission. Same question was asked in TIS 2017. Option A, carbon credit. Option B, carbon rating. Option C, carbon trading. Option D, carbon dating. The correct answer is option A, carbon credit. Option D, carbon dating, is very important because it is used to determine the age of rocks and fossils by analyzing the amount of carbon-14 isotope, which is radioactive in nature. Which of the following are tributaries of Ganges? A similar question was asked in CMAT 2018. Option A, Gomti. Option B, Son. Option C, Yamuna. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Well, do you know which city lies on the bank of Gomti? Tell your answers in comment section. Dash is the largest circle on Earth's surface. Option A, Tropic of Cancer. Option B, Tropic of Capricorn. Option C, Arctic Circle. Option D, Equator. A similar question was asked in CMAT 2020 and the correct answer is option D, Equator. El Nino causes the southeast regions of Earth to receive more rainfall than average. What is it? Option A type of cyclone. Option B, it occurs near the equator on Pacific Ocean. Option C, both A and B. D, it is the name of a mountain peak in Africa. The correct answer is option B, it occurs near the equator on Pacific Ocean. And it is not a type of cyclone. It is responsible for creating cyclones, of course. Where is Kodaikanal situated? A similar question was asked in CMAT 2020. A. Nilgiri Hills. B. Cardamom Hills. C. Palani Hills. D. Jawadi Hills. The correct answer is C. Palani Hills. Have you ever visited this place? It's beautiful. What is 10-degree channel? A. A lagoon. B. A strait that separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands. C. The world's largest swimming pool. D. A type of lake. The correct answer is a strait that separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is very important. From which place in India does India Standard Time Line pass? A. Mirzapur. B. Bhopal. C. Indore. D. Nagpur. The correct answer is option A. Mirzapur. It is near Allahabad. Now look at this figure. Here we can see 82.5 degree east longitude passing from Mirzapur. But India is so huge that from the west to east there is a time difference of 2 hours, and that is why some people have proposed to have 2 time domains in India, and the other time domain that they have proposed is IST2, which must pass through the Chicken Neck. Now Chicken Neck is that part of India where Sikkim lies. It resembles the neck of a chicken, right? What is Chai Bagan time? Option A, time to have tea in Assam. Option B, a brand of Indian tea. Option C, the local time zone adopted by Assamese tea cultivators. Option D, none. The correct answer is option C, the local time zone adopted by Assamese tea cultivators. And the reason is, of course, we have discussed in the previous question. Which is India's oldest rock system called? A. Archean. B. Dharwar. C. Vindhyan. D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Archean. In which layer of atmosphere do the meteors start burning? A. Ionosphere. B. Exosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Troposphere. Mind the word burning. The correct answer is option C. Mesosphere. Which is the second nearest star to Earth? A. Sun. B. Proxima Centauri. C. Alpha Centauri. D. Barnard star. The correct answer is Proxima Centauri. Sun is the nearest, as all of us know. What type of rocks is Adams Bridge / Ram Setu made of? A. Granite. B. Limestone shoals. C. Gypsum. D. Lignite. This bridge has a mythological significance. It is believed that when Lord Ram had to cross the sea from India to Sri Lanka to find his wife, then the Vanar Sena helped him build a bridge which is now called as Ram Setu or the Adams Bridge. The correct answer over here is limestone shoals. And this is the bridge in the picture. Which is the largest peninsula in the world? A. India. B. Arabia. C. New Zealand. D. None. The correct answer is B. Arabia. Which is the largest island in Japan? A. Honshu. B. Hokkaido. C. Kyushu. D. Shikoku. The correct answer is option A. Honshu. Which is the largest archipelago in the world? Option A. Japan. Option B. Andaman and Nicobar. Option C. Malay. Option D. Indonesia. The correct answer is option C. Malay. There is some extra information. Indonesia is the largest archipelago country in the world, and Malay has around 25,000 islands. This is Malay. To reduce the concentration of greenhouse gases, which protocol is followed worldwide? A similar question was asked in TIS 2017. I'll make a video on the protocols, worldwide organizations and treaties. Option A, Kyoto Protocol. Option B, Geneva Protocol. Option C, Rio Summit. Option D, Dallas Regime. The correct answer is Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto is a city in Japan, and I have a close connection to it because I have completed a certificate in prime numbers from Kyoto edX. And trust me, it's a good university. The Dead Sea is surrounded by Jordan and Israel. Why is it called dead? Option A. It is a famous suicide point. Option B. It was once a sea but now it's just a dried sea bed. Option C. There are not much organisms in the Dead Sea because of its high salt content. D. It is haunted by the ghosts of Jews who were killed in Second World War. The correct answer is option C. There are not much organisms in the Dead Sea because of its high salt content. What is true about fertile soil? Option A. pH in the range 5.5 to 7. Option B. Presence of a range of microorganisms. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None. The correct answer is both A and B. The presence of microorganisms aids the plant growth. What is true about nitrogen-fixing bacteria? Well, you might be knowing that nitrogen is required by plants in the form of nitrates. So, naturally, there are some nitrogen-fixing bacteria which convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Option A. It is naturally found in the roots of legumes. Option B. It is known as rhizobium. Option C. Both. Option D. None. The correct answer is both. Have a look at this picture. Atmospheric nitrogen is being fixated by the rhizobia which are found in the nodules of the roots. Do you know that farmers often grow legumes to increase soil productivity? Which is the most abundant element in the planet Earth? Option A. Silica. Option B. Oxygen. Option C. Aluminium. Option D. Iron. Do you know what the correct answer is? Now let us analyze the options one by one because they all are important. Silica is most abundant in pure form. Oxygen is most abundant in combined form, that is in form of oxides. Aluminium is the most abundant metal. Iron is the second most abundant metal. So the correct answer is, of course, option B, oxygen. Enjoyed the video? Then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And do not forget to share with your friends. Knowledge is like love. It increases on sharing.